progressives and luxury lovers, welcome back to my channel, and I'm glad you're back and that you are here to watch this unboxing for the sold out item. I actually, if you're coming from the video before this, the Louis Vuitton unboxing of my first luxury bag, then this is the continuation and I'm ready to reveal this baby. So the little backstory I was telling you is that I actually had this item on my wish list and I was planning to buy it for myself for Christmas, but that whole process was expedited because Shea Whitney actually did an unboxing for this video, kind of an unboxing. It was a quick one, but she did an unboxing and she has so many followers, so obviously this item was now on the radar for a lot of people, and I guess Saint Laurent did not have a lot of stock, and so therefore I just had to go ahead and buy it. And I actually bought the last one. She had released her video for maybe 2 days, and in 2 days they had one left, and I was lucky enough to already have it in my cart, and I went ahead and purchased it, and it came in the mail. So I already opened this box to inspect it just to make sure I was okay with it. I couldn't wait, obviously. I got it last Friday, the 2nd of August, and now I'm doing this unboxing for y'all, and I hope you're ready for what's in here. So Saint Laurent, here is how the package comes. I did my best to pack it back up again. It just comes with 2 airbags in here, and I guess a film or something. And here's the box for the item. I really love this item because it's perfect for going out. It's not a full-size bag, but it is an item that you can use as one, and I am obsessed with this. So I'm very excited that I was able to get the very last one. Let's see. So it just comes like this in a small box like this, and it comes with this textured ribbon, and I'll just go ahead and take this off. Am I the only one who tries to keep their box and their ribbon intact? If I can. It's kind of harder with the Louis Vuitton because they wrap it around everything. But anyway, the box just says something around the front. It's just an all black box and barcodes over here. And I'll just go ahead and open the item. So inside it starts with the envelope, which probably has the receipt and stuff, and the return label in case I decide to return it, and just a thank you card from Saint Laurent. I'm really tempted to say YSL because that's how I've known it for a long time, but it is Saint Laurent. And here's the receipt. The item was $495 plus tax, which was about $535. I don't know if you could see that, but anyway, I'm just gonna put this all back in. I love the envelope. I feel part of the luxury purchasing experience is all the packaging, that you get an envelope that looks all pretty. And I mean, this envelope is nice. You cannot get this at Office Depot, okay? Okay. So I'm just gonna put that all back in. I highly doubt I'll be returning this. I won't. And then there's also this little smaller envelope that comes with the authenticity card, the tag for the bag, and a care booklet, I guess. So I guess it comes with 2 care booklets. Honestly, I don't know who reads all these care booklets, but it's interesting. I think one is in French and one is in English or something like that. But maybe you read the care booklet when you do something to mess up the bag and you wonder if you can fix it. But hopefully I won't need to refer back to this. The authenticity card is nice to keep. I like to keep every single item I get with my bag. So just in case I decide to sell them, and I do not buy with the intent to sell, But you know, you never know. If I get tired of a bag a couple years from now and I've kept it in good condition, I'll still be able to sell it with everything included. So here's the bag. It comes in this, there's nothing else in the box. It comes in this cute like dust bag, and you know, I guess they couldn't fit this in here because it did come outside of the bag. So here is the item. So if any of y'all are like Saint Laurent lovers, you know that Shay revealed this item and she basically caused it to sell out. That's my opinion, my humble opinion. So kudos to her for that kind of power, but I was able to get the last one, thank God. And basically this is a large bill monogram pouch. I don't think they even call it a wristlet. I don't know if it's just me, but I have difficulty with like figuring out like Saint Laurent bag names. Like I know there's a Lulu and there's like a camera bag, but like they always have this long drawn out name, which I'm just like, okay. So it comes with like a tag attached to it that just says Saint Laurent Paris on it. And it says that this must remain attached in order to get like, in order for refunds and exchanges. And then, so here's the bag. It's pretty cute. And then here's the back. It has like a card holder. And I actually read earlier in this that it actually comes with RFID protection on this. So someone can't just walk by and scan your cards because if they're in here. So I know a lot of people were concerned on Shay's video that what if like, how safe would you feel to like have your cards on the outside of your pouch? And I'm like, I don't care, as long as it's in there like securely, like we're good. And besides, when you have like a wristlet, you know, you're more like sort of holding it like this, you know. Even if you like let it go, I mean, I highly doubt you'd be able to like, you know, get it out or like throw them out at first. But I'll let you know if that happens in the future, because on my next trip to Vegas, I'm definitely using this baby. So, okay, let's get into the details of the bag. So it comes with a front pocket and then a back pocket of the same size, and then a middle zip. Oops. A middle zip, and even the little like zip has like Saint Laurent Paris. I just love this gold because it's not like the antique gold, it's like the shiny gold, you know. And then here's the inside. It is tight in there, I feel like, but I will eventually do a what's in my bag, probably closer to Vegas time in October, or like maybe earlier or right before I go to Vegas. So inside there's like a sewn in patch for the serial number, and then the bag ID. Is it a serial number or bag ID? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. And then the tag that says YSL in here. But it is perfect. I have my phone here. It's a iPhone XR and it fits perfectly in here. Only thing I do wonder is if I can put my keys in here, because I'm like, I don't want to stretch the bag out, you know? Like, but when you're going out and I have my cards here, my phone in here, like, what else does a girl need? Oh, keys. If I'm able to put my little like key holder from Louis Vuitton in here, then honey, we are golden. Keys, cards, phone, we're good. So I love this. Oh, I just love the sound of it too. It's like just so luxurious. But anyway, here's the bag. If you have any questions about this or what I think of it, ask me in a few months when I do the review of the whole bag. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing as well, and hopefully I didn't just like blab on forever. But you guys have an amazing day, and I hope you come back to my channel. And if you like this video, go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.